Hey friends, welcome back to another video. I'm Fabio and today I have a sweet sequence for shoulders and neck. So if you're ready, jump on your mat and follow along. Today we're gonna start in our cross-legged position. So take a moment to settle in, make yourself nice and comfortable, close your eyes and connect to the ground. Bring your attention to the shoulders and your neck. And notice if you're holding on to any tension in these areas. So maybe one shoulder feels a little higher than the other. Maybe your neck is a little tight today. So feel free to make any small movements to start warming up your body, start preparing for this practice. On your next inhalation, we're gonna raise our shoulders nice and high. Exhale, release them down. And again, inhale, raise them all the way up. Exhale. And let's go for one more round. Inhale. Exhale deeply. Maybe close your eyes. Notice if already your neck feels a little better, your shoulders feel a little more leveled. Find stillness in your body and in your mind. And on your next nice breath in, we're going to open our arms. Exhale, bring the right arm on top of the left and wrap your arms into eagle position. Now from here, we're gonna take a deep breath in, lifting our chest up. Exhale, folding towards the mat. Maybe bringing the forearms towards the floor. Relax here, feel the nice stretch in between your shoulder blades. Relax your head. Try to keep both seat bones on the floor and then using the strength of your hips. Inhale, come back up. And release the pause. Another big breath in to open the arms wide. Exhale, we're gonna cross the left arm on top of the right, wrapping into eagle's arms. Inhale, lift the chest, look up. Exhale, folding forward, bringing the forearms towards the ground. Sit bones grounded. And slowly opening the shoulders a little more. Inhale, come back up. Nice and strong in your hips. Exhale, release your arms. And then swing your legs around. We'll come to a tabletop position. So bring the hands underneath your shoulders and knees underneath your hips. Connect to your core, find a long spine, and then walk your hands a little further towards the top of your mat. As you exhale, keep the hips high and melt the heart towards the ground, lowering the forehead to the floor. Once you arrive there, try to extend your elbows, deepening the stretch into the shoulders. Remember to breathe deeply, in and out through the nose. Focus on your shoulders, allowing them to open every single time you breathe. And let's hold it for one more deep breath in and out. Slowly walk your hands back underneath your shoulders and then bring the right arm underneath the left, lowering the shoulder on the floor. If everything feels good here, extend the left leg behind you, keep the foot on the ground and breathe deeply. Feel your shoulder opening, your core active to maintain the pose stable, and exhale, bring the knee back to the mat. And come back into your tabletop position. We switch right away to the other side, lowering the left arm down, left shoulder down. And once again from here, once you're nice and stable, feel free to extend the right leg behind you. Breathe deeply. Feel the shoulder opening. And slowly come back to center. Inhale, coming back to tabletop position. And exhale, back to downward facing dog. Our very first down dog of today. So keep the same sensation that we had in puppy pose earlier, opening the shoulders, focusing especially today on the upper back. Inhale next to come to plank pose. Core is engaged. Exhale, lower down on your mat. Point your toes. Inhale, we're going to lift the chest off the floor. Hug the triceps in. Keep the neck long. Breathe deeply in this one. Feel the belly pressing down on the mat. Hands are light on the floor. And now with control, we're going to slide them forward. Forearms are going to come down, helping us lifting the chest a little more into our Sphinx pose. Firmly press down into the mat with your fingertips, with your palms, and with your forearms. Lift your chest up, roll the shoulders down, and hug the shoulder blades together. As you exhale next, start lifting the hips off the floor. Extend your arms and reach back into puppy pose. Extending your arms fully and maybe lowering the forehead down. Slowly come back into tabletop position. Tuck your toes and exhale back into downward facing dog. Once you land there, take a few deep breaths in through the nose and out through the nose. Again, focusing on opening the heart, opening the shoulders, lifting the hips up, melting the heels towards the ground. As you inhale next, take a big step forward with your right leg. Pivot the back heel down and rise up into warrior one, nice and strong into your foundation. Reach your arms up, sink deep into the front leg and look up towards your hands. Exhale, bring the hands behind your head and lower the chin to your chest. Drop your elbows too. Inhale, lift your head up, open your elbows and sink deeper into the pose. And again, exhale, drop your chin, bring your elbows towards the floor. Inhale, open your elbows and lift the head up. Release the pose, lift your arms up towards the ceiling and then open them wide. Exhale, right arm on top of the left, wrapping our elbows into eagle arms, sinking maybe a little deeper into the front leg. Take a deep breath in, lifting the chest up. Always following the sensations in your shoulders. Exhale, reaching forward with the crown of the head and holding it there, flattening the back. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, release the hands down and step back into downward facing dog. Take one deep breath in for plank. Move slow and with control. Exhale, lower down. Point your toes. Hug the elbows towards your body. Inhale, lift the chest up. Keep the shoulders away from the ears and the neck nice and long. Slide your hands forward. Bring the forearms on the ground and lift the chest even higher. Remember to breathe. Feel the connection with the floor through your belly. Shoulders are down. Exhale, slowly lift your hips high. Push with your hands into puppy pose to open the shoulders even more. And here, sometimes you may have to adjust a little bit your hands or your knees. Make yourself comfortable. Deep breaths in and out through the nose. Slowly readjust the hands underneath your shoulders and then lift back into downward facing dog. Take deep breaths in through the nose and out through the nose, focusing on the upper back. Give your head a nice shake if you feel tension in the neck, and hold it for one more. Step forward with the left foot. Pivot the right heel down and rise up into warrior one to the other side. So we reach up with our hands, nice and strong. Sink deeply into the front knee. Exhale, bring the hands behind your head, elbows wide. Drop the chin to the chest. Lower the elbows towards the floor. Inhale, lifting up, opening the elbows wide, opening the chest. And again, exhale, chin to chest, elbows down, shoulders relax. Try not to pull your head down, but simply follow gravity. Inhale last time, opening the chest, opening the elbows. And finally, reach your arms all the way up to the sky. Exhale, sink a bit deeper, open your arms. And then cross the left arm on top of right for eagle's arms. Inhale here to lift the chest even more. And exhale, lowering towards the front into a flat back. Holding it there for 5 counts. 4, 3, 2, strong in your legs. 1, exhale, release down. And step back into downward facing dog. Inhale for plank pose. Exhale to lower down. Inhale, arch your back, point your toes, and hold it. Become light on your fingertips as you slide your hands forward, coming a little higher into your Sphinx pose for the last time today. Deep breaths in and out. And now exhale, reach your hips up, extend your arms, and lower the forehead down. Try to extend the arms as best as you can. Deepen the breath, feel your shoulder blades creating more space. Feel your heart melting, your ribs expanding, and then slowly slide back to sit on your heels.
and relax there. Deepen the breath in through the nose, out through the nose, feeling the connection with the ground. Heavy hips. And when you're ready, you can roll your spine up.
Now take a moment where you are. You can close your eyes. Relax the shoulders. Hug the shoulder blades together and create a long spine. On your next inhalation, we're going to reach up with the right arm, reach back with the left, and maybe hooking the fingertips together. Once you're there, inhale, open the chest. Exhale, again folding forward into child's pose. Relax here. Feel the connection with the ground. Hold it for one more breath and slowly release. Roll your spine up. And we'll do the same thing to the other side. So left arm coming up and over, right arm sliding up towards the middle of the back. Inhale to open the chest and exhale as you lower down towards the floor. Breathe deeply. Recognizing if one side feels much different than the other. Slowly release when you're ready. And sit up on your heels one more time. Once you get there, you can close your eyes. You can rest one hand on top of the other in your lap. Deepen the breath. Relax the shoulders and the neck even more. And feel free to stay for as long as you'd like, or slowly open your eyes and release the pose. And there you have it, my friends. Today we worked more on opening the shoulders and relaxing the neck, which are areas where also subconsciously we tend to hold a lot of tension. So it's important to take care of these parts of our bodies as well. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, comment down below what you would like to see next, and also turn on the notification bell if you want to get notified every time I post a new video. You can also check out my previous videos if you want to deepen your practice and deepen our journey together. I will see you all next Wednesday. Bye.